There were some differences in the quantum of reduction. The MPC voted by a 4-2 majority, that is by a 4:2 majority, to reduce the policy repo rate by 75 basis points to 4.4%. I repeat, the rate cut decision is 75 basis points, and accordingly the repo rate stands reduced from 5.15% to 4.4%. Simultaneously, the fixed rate reverse repo rate, which sets the floor of the liquidity adjustment facility, that is the LAF corridor, was reduced by 90 basis points. I repeat, 90 basis points to 4%, thus creating an asymmetrical corridor. The purpose of this measure relating to reverse repo is to make it relatively unattractive for banks to passively deposit funds with the Reserve Bank, and instead to use these funds for on-lending to the productive sectors of the economy. To help banks tide over the disruption caused by COVID-19, it has been decided to reduce the cash reserve ratio (CRR) of all banks by 100 basis points to 3% of net demand and time liabilities, that is NDTL, with effect from the reporting fortnight beginning March 28th for a period of 1 year. This reduction in CRR would release primary liquidity of about rupees 1,37,000 crores uniformly across the banking system in proportion to liabilities of the constituents rather than in relation to their holding of excess SLR. Furthermore, taking cognizance of hardships faced by the banks in terms of social distancing of staff and consequent strains on reporting requirements, it has been decided to reduce the requirement of minimum daily CRR balance maintenance from 90% to 80% effective from the first day of the reporting fortnight beginning March 28, 2020. This is a one-time dispensation available up to June 26, 2020. It is worthwhile bearing in mind that the macroeconomic fundamentals of the Indian economy are sound and in fact stronger than what they were in the aftermath of the global financial crisis of 2008-9. The fiscal deficit and the current account deficit are now much lower. Inflation conditions are relatively benign, and financial volatility measured by change in stock prices from recent peaks and average daily change in exchange rate of the rupee is distinctly lower. COVID-19 is upon us, but this too shall pass. We need to remain careful, take all precautionary measures. I leave you with this comforting thought: stay clean, stay safe, and go digital. Thank you very much.